Welcome to Interior Designs YouTube channel. The latest chair designs reflect a fascinating blend of form, functional, and sustainability. Contemporary chairs are pushing the boundaries of creativity and comfort with innovative materials and ergonomic principles. One prominent trend is the incorporation of sustainable and eco-friendly materials such as recycled plastics and renewable woods, reflecting a growing concern for environmental responsibility. In terms of aesthetics, minimalism and sleek lines remain by prevailing theme, often complemented by bold color choice or unique textures. Many designers are also exploring the concept of adaptable or modular chairs that can easily transform to suit various purposes and spaces. These designs emphasize flexibility and versatility, catering to the evolving needs of modern living spaces. Furthermore, technology integration is increasingly evident in chair design with features like wireless charging, built-in speaker, or smart center sensors for personalized comfort. Comfort is paramount with ergonomic designs that prioritize ergonomics and support for long hours of sitting. Ultimately, the latest chair designs are a testament to the ever evolving nature of furniture, combining aesthetics, sustainability, and functionality to enhance our daily lives and spaces. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.